goodness me, this car is awesome. Tim here from Vintage and Classic, and today I'm driving this awesome, and I mean awesome is the word, 1974 MGB V8, and it's a GT V8, and it's an original factory GT V8 but with a crucial difference. It has now got a 4.3 litre fuel injected 280 horsepower engine. This is an incredible machine, and someone's going to be winning this in just a few short days, and it could be you. Watch this. Oh my god. So that's 0 to 60. I think that was Christ. Wow, that is amazing. It free revs right up to 6,000 RPM. It goes like an absolute bomb. I'll tell you what, I think this is probably the fastest car by far that we've ever offered as a prize, and you will not be disappointed. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity to own something like this. It is beautiful. There's a thing about torque and horsepower. I mean, I know it's got 280 brake, right, which is lovely, it's a fantastic thing, but they always say horsepower is for magazines, you know, and they say horsepower sells cars or wins sales, but torque wins races, and this is torque. I mean, it's torque unbelievable. So if I put my foot down now, it just goes straight from 20 to 40 in a blink. It sounds amazing as well. That V8 rumble goes through a stainless steel exhaust system. It has uprated brakes, you'll be glad to know, because that's quite important. It's got AP racing brakes with 4-pot calipers and ventilated 2-piece discs, so it stops just as well as it goes, which is quite important because this car goes, and when I say goes, I mean it really goes. Oh my goodness me. That's the only time we've done an onboard. We're actually worried about the safety of our camera equipment. It's that bad. It's so fast, we're actually worried that the camera equipment is starting to disintegrate. It is an incredible car. I cannot believe the amount of power this has. I had a Morgan race car, which was a 4-litre V8. This is 4.3, which was a +8, and it weighs 650 kilos. Now, I don't know what the brake horsepower per tonne is on this, and they say that it's developing 280. Well, this car weighs about a tonne, an aluminium block, don't forget the Rover V8, so it's not heavy. Now, my race car weighs 650 kilos, which gave it a power to weight of something like 450, and this feels quicker, so I'm not even sure whether 280 is right. I mean, I'm sure it is, it's been on a rolling road, I'm sure that's right. But that's at the rear wheels. I mean, this is magic. This is absolutely amazing. And it's not a bad car to drive. It's got kind of 2 modes. It's got Pussycat round town, and then it's got, well, Tiger. It's got a limited slip diff as well, which really helps, as well as a 5-speed gearbox, which makes a huge difference. You can drive this car anywhere. You can literally drive it anywhere, a European trip, take it down the pub on a Sunday, wherever you want. This can be yours, and it can be yours in just a few short days. More information if you click through on the link, and there is also an alternative cash amount of 20 grand as well. So whether you want the car or the cash, I would want the car all day long, but you might want the cash. Whatever you want to do, this car will do it for you, and it will do it in absolute style and blisteringly quickly. So please have a click through. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Good luck. Oh my god, this is the fastest car we've ever done. This is absolutely ridiculously quick. I mean, you know, obviously with the race cars, this feels like driving my Lola, which is a Selector Wings race car. This is ridiculous. I mean, honestly, it is absolutely amazing. You could probably spin up the wheels in just about any gear. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you need some lessons on how to drive it as well, because it's it's an amazing car. Wow.